Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you try to if you update your system to iOS 14 and your Siri still in full screen mode, so how you can fix it? So you need to try first thing is just restart your phone. So just press on power button and just wait until it will show to you slide to power off. So just slide to power off, just restart your phone. So sometimes it helps. If it doesn't help you, you can also try to make hard reset. So just try to hold the power and low volume button in one time and just wait until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release your fingers from these two buttons. So just release your fingers, and now it means that you successfully made force restart. So now just wait until your system will load and you will be able for using your iPhone again. So let's wait. So now we just try to, if it doesn't help you too, you can also go to the settings. So just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general, and in the general you need to find reset. So just try to reset all the settings. So just submit resetting all the settings. So I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.